dear learners. I hope you are doing very well wherever you are, and I hope that you are taking care of yourselves. Again, I come back to you for another mathematics lesson. That is mathematics grade 6. And it is a continuation of what we have been doing. Remember, as I started this topic, I started the topic of algebra, and we said that this topic is a wide topic, and it is a combination of, there is a flow that should be followed. Therefore, we cannot just start on algebra, then we move by correcting the right terms, we drop that, then we continue on another. No, we have to have that continuity so that you are able to follow. Therefore, I urge you to watch the videos which have already passed, that is the lesson of playlist 3 and 4, so that you are able to see what happened in those lessons. As I continue, today we are going to solve simple equations. Solving simple equations. When we are talking about solving simple equations, remember the equal sign is being involved, and that's why it becomes an equation. And before I start solving this, we have this. If we hide this, we have an expression. If we introduce that, it becomes an equation. Therefore, as we look at this, we are talking about solving equations. As we move, there's something that I wish to put it well to you, that there will be what we call the change of sign when we are solving these equations. Positive sign will change to a negative sign at a certain time, and also negative sign will change to positive at a certain time. We will see how these signs change. If you come with me, we have our example number 1. We have 6x plus 8 is equal to 32. What does that mean? It means that this positive 8 and 32 are like terms. You have to put them together. Meaning that positive 8 have to go to where 32 is. Therefore, this will cross over, and since it was positive, the sign will change to become negative. So on this side we shall have negative 8. After that, we will say that 6x, we will rewrite the equation again. 6x is equal to 32 minus 8. Remember, we cannot solve this without solving this first. We have to solve 32 minus 8. Meaning what? We shall have 6x is equals to, automatically this will give us 24. This is also an equation again, which have to be solved. Remember, we are trying to get the value of the variable without all these coefficients and with the constant. So therefore, we shall eliminate the coefficient on this side by dividing it by itself, whereby we shall have, now we will eliminate the coefficient, it means we remain with x, and so that we get the value, we will also divide this by the coefficient which was with the variable. Therefore, our value x is equal to 4. So we would say that we have solved that equation, and we have got a solution which is the x is equal to 4. If you want to try your answer and see if you got it correct, what you need to do is to use the variable and replace the variable with the number. Meaning 6 times 4, which gives you 24, plus 8, which gives you 32. Dear learner, we are talking about solving equations. We are in example number 2. We have seen that we have positive sign again. So this will close over and have it as negative 11. Remember, we are saying that this one has to go because they are like terms. So we are taking it to the other side so that we solve the equation. We shall have 7y is equals to 60 minus 11. Remember to solve this first. So we shall have 7y is equals to 49. Eliminate the coefficient on this side and try to divide the answer which is on the other side by the coefficient. By 7, 1, by 7, 1, by 7, you get 7. So the value of y is equal to 7. As I have told you again, if you want to try your answer, you just take the value of y, you come and put it here, 7 times 7, which will give you 49, plus 11 to give you 60. That is what we are trying to do, solving the equations. And when you are solving the equation, remember there must be a solution. Therefore, in our number 3, again, we are going to take this on the other side. We shall have negative 7. Whereby now we shall have 11w is equal to 84 minus 7. So this part, we shall have 11w is equal to 77. Both sides by 11, whereby we are eliminating by the coefficient. We get the value of w, we divide this by 11, so that we get 7. Therefore, the value of w becomes 7. I hope with the 3 examples that we have solved, which involves the positive side, a positive constant, let me just use that term, we have already seen what happens. That if we have a positive constant, when it closes over, the constant changes to be a negative constant. We have seen that. And that is what happens when we are solving the equations. And we have seen at our last stage that we try to eliminate the coefficient, which is with the variable, so that we remain with only the variable. Then our variable is left alone, and the value of the variable is gotten as the answer that you get after dividing. Let's go to our example number 4. If in our example number 4, this is negative 7. Remember, as I said earlier, this is not 7. That is negative 7. Remember, negative 7 will come over and it will become a positive number. As you have seen, we shall rewrite this as 5k is equal to 38 plus 7. 5k is equal to 45. Eliminate the coefficient by dividing by 5. And remember to divide both sides by 5. Whereby we shall have, by 5, we shall have the value of k is equal to 9. As I said earlier, you can try to see if you got it correct. Take the value of k and say 5 times 9, which gives you 45. 45 minus 7, it will give you 38. By so doing, you shall have proved that your answer is correct. I hope I'm not very fast. And I hope you are still following what is happening. Again, I take you through this. Take this one on the other side. We shall have it as positive 8. And if we shall have it as that, it means we shall have 10p is equal to 108 plus 8. Remember to solve this. 10p is equal to 116. Divide both sides by 10. Divide both sides by 10. So this will be eliminated. So we shall have the value of p. Remember, this cannot be divided directly. So what you do, you divide the normal way. 116 divided by 10. This is 1 because of 10. 1 drop 6. This is 1 because of 10 again. We shall have 6. Therefore, we shall have an answer like 10, 6 over 10. Remember, since you have learned how to simplify, you can simplify this by 2, 3, by 3, by 2, 5. So our best answer here would be 10, 3 over 5. This would be our best answer in this. If you try here to solve this, using this, it will give you the solution as, because if you take 10 times 10 over this, it will be 116. If you solve this, it's supposed to give you 116 minus 8, which is equal to 108. I hope it is clear to everyone. Therefore, let me see if you divided properly here. Yeah, divided properly. And by the end of the day, let me just cross check on this sum again and see. If you add this, you get 116. I'm trying just to cross check on that one. 1 because of 10, 6 because we have 11, yeah, this is, sorry, 11, yeah, 11, 6 over 10, yes, by 3, by 2, we say by 2, 3, by 2, 5. So, yeah, this is the correct answer. By so doing, I believe you have seen what is happening, that it is not a mass that you get a whole number as the solution. We can also have a fraction. You can also use decimals. For example, if you divide this, it can give you 11.6. So you can get answers in decimal. I will take you to example number 6, and I will leave number 7 and number 8 undone, whereby now, once I do this, once you listen to this video, you will try to do these two sums on your own. Therefore, I take you through this number, take this on the other side, it will become positive 3. So 90 is equal to 36 plus 3, whereby 90 is equal to 39. Divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by 9. Remember, we are eliminating the coefficient. Whereby by 9 you get, you can just divide the simple way. You can say by 4 you get 36. This is 3. Therefore, this will give us 4, 3 over 9. You can simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 3. So the value of t becomes 4, 1 over 3. You are free to write in decimal form also. You can have it as 4.3. If you are good in converting decimals, fractions into decimals, well and good, you are free to do it. So, dear learner, as you have seen in our example number 1, all the way to example number 6, you have seen what is happening. We are solving simple equations. I hope I have made you understand well how to solve those equations, and I believe by having followed the 6 examples that I have given you, you'll be able to solve our question number 7 and our number 8 for practice. And I believe by so doing, you shall have put yourself in a better position to solve simple equations. Having said all that, I wish to leave you with a few words that says, take care of yourselves, continue observing social distance, and wash your hands regularly, and I believe all will be well. I wish you all the best. God bless you.